Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, my people. We starting the video today. Now, excuse the thumbnail. I thought I'd try something new today. Let's get into today's video where I'm going to tell you guys how I was budgeting my 70k salary, which I had when I was working a job. I want to go through the sort of expenses which I had so you guys could see what sort of money I was spending and should I have saved more, should I have saved less? I don't know, but inshallah, this is a learning time for you guys. And you guys can also see why I decided to leave my job and now, alhamdulillah, we have my own company. Right, I want to go into Monday straight away. Now, I can't lie. I've had a look at my spendings and it's looking a bit peak. First thing, Monday morning, I remember waking up in the mornings and we had to get the petrol. £10 went straight on petrol. Now, I don't know why I didn't spend more. I should have just paid for the week, but I didn't. So £10 went straight on petrol, but apparently I ended up spending a little bit more. Now, I don't know exactly what it's on, but we're looking at £13.68. Now, that could have been a crisp packet and a chocolate. I don't know. And why I had that for breakfast beats me. Later on in that day, we get to lunch, and I remember these lunches, man. It was the Pepe's. The Pepe's used to do me nicely. That used to cost £7.99. And I remember those burgers. I'm not going to lie. They were nice, but they were expensive. And I was spending that sort of money every single day. Later on in that day, apparently around the 3 p.m. mark, I spent another £7 in Tesco. I have no idea what that was on. But I remember I used to get sushi a lot. At the time, I had this thing about sushi and I would always get a Lucozade drink. So assuming we went Tesco and we spent another £7 there. This one cracked me up, I can't lie, because the one thing that we always used to do, and I remember back in the day when I was working the job, is it was Monday. And being a Monday, like, I can't lie, like, I'd be feeling a bit sad that, okay, the week started. So this day we ended up going to Nawab's, where apparently I spent another £46. So £46 was spent at Nawab's. Now, I'm not going to lie, man. I don't even know what happened there, or I don't know what we did there. Evidently, I didn't drive because I didn't pay another 10 quid. But £46 at Nawab's, it's looking a bit peak, but that's the outgoings for Monday. I'm not going to lie. I don't even know if that's good or bad, but I guess we'll have to just see, depending on how the week goes, that do I spend more on Tuesday? Do I spend less? I mean, look, I went out and had the Nawab's meal, so evidently it should technically not go any higher. But let's see what happens for Tuesday. So Tuesday in the morning, same thing. I don't know why I did this all the time, but I put in another £10. Like, I don't know why I would do this. I can't lie. Like, I felt like if I just paid £10 every morning for petrol, it was like I was spending less. It was like spending £50 a week on petrol felt too much. But anyway, £10 again. First thing in the morning, I pay, but this time, apparently, I didn't get the crisp packet and the drink, so clearly I'm doing all right. But at 10 a.m., I messed up. I mean, we always used to have this thing at work where we would go get breakfast, and everyone at work would do it. And so at 10 a.m., we went for breakfast. I went and spent another £6.99, and we had a nice breakfast meal. I'm sure at the time it tasted banging, but it was £6.99. And I'm not going to lie, my people, like, I think this is so important for all of you guys to do, just to understand exactly how much you spend in a week. So let's carry on and see how this goes. But £6.99 at 10 o'clock in the morning. Boom, we're going for that £7.99 Pepe's meal again. It was that tikka chicken masala tikka burger, man. I can't lie, I was addicted. I'll be honest, I might as well just do ×5 in this because I had it every single day of the week. But here, to be fair, we've got Tesco again. Like, I went to Tesco and I know for a fact this is a Red Bull. I know for a fact it's £1.89. It's one of those medium-sized Red Bulls. I used to love those. I still do. I can't lie. I might need to pick one up right now. So I'm still a Red Bull sort of guy. So excuse me, but that hits different. I can't lie. That hits different. See, I'm seeing a routine here. I'm seeing a routine where I've done something here. I've gone out again. I've gone and I've spent £12.99 at treats. I don't know what's happened, but evidently I was feeling the dessert. Man, I know where this is going to go already. I know where my biggest costs are going to go, but I've kind of just seen where I spent bare peas on Thursday, though. I can't lie, man. Like, I just feel like I could be so much better with my spending. I mean, already it seems like I've spent £100. But you know what? It is what it is. We move on to Wednesday. And straight away, of course, that £10 again. But clearly today I've had a chocolate and crisp again because it's £13.89. Like, I don't even know why this is a bit more. Maybe I went for a better chocolate. But £13.89 it is. And to be fair, until lunch, we don't really go in and spend more money. But the £7.99, the chicken tikka Pepe's meal is banging still. So we go for that again. Here though, I'm not gonna lie, I've ended up spending 32 quid on Amazon. Now, one with that, so £32 again. Like, you know what? I'm actually gonna go through my history and check exactly what that was, and I'm gonna put it in like the little. I'm just gonna put it there. I'm just gonna in the little brackets thing. I'm gonna put it there. So £32 on Amazon, we've gone and spent. Now that same day, evidently I know that £1.89 is the Red Bull again. I've bopped into Tesco and we've got ourselves the Red Bull. But I don't even know. Like, I'm gonna add this up for a weekly cost, and because by the way, I'm gonna add in the insurance, the cars, the extra bills. I'm gonna add that all in at the end. So by Friday, technically, we should know how much money I've spent in a week, as well as all the extra costs I have. So bear with me on that. Coming into Thursday morning, I know I've spent that £10 on petrol again. Listen, let me know in the comments below if this is something you guys do. Do you put in petrol every day, or do you put it in just on a weekly thing? Nah, £2.99 is spent in McDonald's, so can't lie, that's probably the breakfast meal still. We used to get that a lot, I'm not gonna lie. So £2.99 is straight gone on the breakfast. £7.99 is going on lunch. But that day, I've spent another £29 in Argos. Now, I actually remember this. I specifically remember this because what ended up happening that day is I needed some headphones, and I still remember this, and I needed my charger wire, and I just didn't have any headphones on me, and I didn't have my charger on me. So I just went into Argos. It was the closest thing to me. I didn't have any other shops there, and I bought myself a charger, and I bought myself some headphones, which cost me £29.99. And I remember that because that wire actually lasted me quite long. Like, it was some proper long wire. But £29.99 at Argos. Now, I don't know about you guys, but Thursday night for me became the new Friday night. And what I mean by that, it was like, it was okay to go out Thursday night because Friday was tomorrow, and you probably could last on 4 hours of sleep, right? So evidently, I've gone out here because we've gone to, man, like Amigos. Anyone knows Amigos, let me know in the comments below. But we spent £12.99 in Amigos. But on this same day, I've gone home and I've spent £77 on Sick and Silk. Now, clearly, that's some shopping, right? And I don't really do this too often now. But back then, I used to do this a lot. Because it was like, if I'm earning money, of course, and if I'm working hard for it, I need to spend it as well. Like, it was like some happiness I would get in buying some materialistic things. And look, there's no harm in buying stuff, but I was spending more than I needed to. So £77 on Sick and Silk. On Thursday, this is going to be expensive. So on Thursday, we spent £143 in one day. Oh, like, I don't even know what to say. But moving on to Friday, I know this is already going to be peak because Friday, we know it's Friday. So Friday, again, we've gone for that £10 petty, but £6.99 on that breakfast meal again. This is not good. I'm not liking this. But anyway, £6.99 on the brekkie, £7.99 again on the burger meal. I don't know, man. I just had a phase where I didn't eat anything apart from this burger meal, like, every day. I do this. Like, when I like something, I just have it on a non-stop. I don't know what it is. So the £1.89 has gone out again on that Red Bull, and that's clearly in the evenings. I used to get a little bit tired on Friday nights, by the way. I used to be super tired, but we had to always go out on Friday night. Now, Friday night, I've spent £47 in the evening. I don't know what exactly this is for, because I'll be honest with you, I can't work it out. I don't know exactly what it is. But evidently, we've gone out, we've had meal, and that's basically what we do. We just have a food, we would just go out, have some food, and chill out. And evidently, this is a food place or something like that. But this is interesting. The next one, oh man, it's sad. It's sad. But this used to happen to me all the time, and I used to have a big problem with it. And that's why I just don't drive anymore. I've spent £60 on a parking ticket. That's just, like, that was just a regular occurrence for me, man. I can't even lie. When I had the job, it was just, I kept having parking tickets everywhere. So £60 on a parking ticket. But you see, my brothers and sisters, that's not it. Because obviously, this is the weekly amount, right? And this is just to give you guys an idea what I was spending a weekly. And of course, it would vary. Maybe next week I was a better person. But I also had my outgoings. And I just want to give you guys an idea on how much outgoings I have in terms of my insurance, in terms of my outgoings, in terms of my car, and the sort of money I was spending. So technically, we should put that in and divide that about 4 weeks. And therefore, we should know exactly how much money was going out every single week. So my car and my insurance would cost me £580 together. Of course, the car was more and the insurance was not that much. But I actually had an accident when I was in my second or third year of uni, which affected my insurance quite a bit. But I was spending £580 a month on my car and the insurance, which divided by 4 is £145, as well as my phone bill, which was 50 quid. But Divide that by 4 and we're going to say £12.50. I do a little bit of the shopping at home. So I'll be honest though, this is like, it probably is more, we're going to say £100. I'm just going to say £100, £25 on that for the week. £29 was the gym membership, which divided by 4 is £7.25. And I did have some repayments. I'm not going to go into exactly what they were, whatever they were, but we had some repayments where I was paying £150 a month back to things that maybe I had built up, which I shouldn't have built up, but those were the sort of outgoings I had. So now we're going to add all of that up and we're going to come up with a number which I was spending every single week. So altogether in this week, I ended up spending £608.25p. Now that is a lot because it's only Monday to Friday. And I'm sure not all weeks were like this, because if they were, I'd probably be spending more money than I should. Now, I hope, my brothers and sisters, this gives you guys an idea on the sort of money that really and truly I ended up spending a week. Now, you guys are obviously going to be thinking, yeah, but you were making so much money. But the truth of the matter is, when we actually look at how much money I was making a month and how much money I was spending a week, I mean, did I have that much money saved? Well, the truth is no. And you know what? I'm going to leave this to you guys. I'm not actually going to tell you how much money as a breakdown I made, £70,000 take home at the end of the month. What did I take home? And if I spent this much money a week, then really and truly, if I kept doing that every single week, I spent close to £2,400 a month. Just living, basically. And did I go on a holiday? Did I treat my parents? Did I do something else? No, not really. And so this gives you guys an idea on how in reality you may end up spending a lot more than you think. And £70,000, £80,000 or even more might sound like a lot. But when you start doing the maths on a daily basis and a weekly basis, it may not be a lot. So my brothers and sisters, do me a favor, like this video, share with your family and friends, get the message out. Let's help people and let's help each other get better with our money and finances. But I hope this video benefits you guys. Jazakallahu khairan for watching. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.